Hey guys, and welcome to the last video of 2018. In this video, I'd like to show you a very easy nail design you could wear for New Year's Eve. For the first design, I applied a base coat and then a fast drying top coat. I needed to apply the fast drying top coat in order to use some tape. Depending on the opacity of your white, add 1 or 2 coats. Then go in with a sheer glittery polish and apply it as well. I added 2 coats. Remove the tape and add 4 micro beads. The second design is also very simple. The only difference is that we're painting the whole instead of half of the nail. Seal everything in with a top coat and also add a matte top coat if you would like to. So here's how my last minute New Year's Eve nail design looks like. Thank you very much for your support in 2018. I'm looking forward to the next year and I wish you all a safe and happy new year. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!